This video is for you who would like to know about the trending houseplants. What are the famous plants among every gardener, and also these plants are permanent, low maintenance and decorative. So I have listed some of the plants which you can easily grow in your garden. A list of house plants, especially these are indoor plants. You can maintain them very easily. Even a lazy gardener, person who doesn't have time, can still grow them. And also the tips and tricks of growing them, the videos are there in my channel. If you are a new person, you can subscribe and you can watch them after watching this video with your time to get more information. So today I will show you the trending house plants which are really very famous and also trending among every gardener. Another beautiful variegated leafy plant is the neon pothos. Not only this is beautiful, this is one of the trending house plants, a beginner gardener's house plant, and also very easy to look after, permanent and low maintenance. This is one of the plants that you must keep in the shade. You'll have to take care of the plant, especially in the rainy season, because of slugs. You can see slugs and snail around the plant will damage it. So during the rainy season, take care of the plant if you have kept it outdoors as an outdoor plant. So this is one of the trending house plants, neon pothos. Another variegated leafy plant is the spider plant. This is also a trending house plant. This is very famous among every gardener since it is an air purifier. Easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, and also you can multiply them very easily. Keep this plant in a shady corner in your garden, in the outdoor garden, and this is a best house plant. So have this plant in your house plants collection as an air purifier and also as a decorative plant. Another beautiful leafy plant are these beautiful wandering Jew plants. You can keep them in your outdoor garden too, in a shade, and if you have kept them in a hanging planter, that will look beautiful because their leaves are so colorful and elegant. This is another house plant you can keep, and also this is low maintenance and permanent. White Aglonema, another beautiful house plant which you can grow very easily. You can divide and multiply them. Now if you can see, there are two plants in the same pot. I can divide and multiply them. And also this is another plant for the shady corner. These are permanent plants and low maintenance. You can grow them with or without fertilizer. These plants are ideal for indoor plant collection as well. So this is a trending house plant because everybody loves keeping them since they are permanent and low maintenance. When you collect plants for your house plants collection, see that they are attractive, elegant, their leaves are so beautiful and also easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent. Even if you are out for 2-3 days, see that these plants are not requiring any water for a couple of days so that they can hold on. So these are ideal house plants for your house plants collection. You can keep them indoors. Now this is lucky bamboo, friends. This is a super easy growing plant, low maintenance, permanent. You can add them in your outdoor garden as well. Best house plant, you can grow them from stems. So this is another plant suggestion for every gardener. This is also a trending house plant, very famous among every gardener. Varieties of Singonium plant. You can see this is pink Singonium, and here I have the dwarf Singonium. They are very easy growing, low maintenance, permanent and best house plants. Put them in small planters or bigger planters. They will make your place very decorative and beautiful. So this is Singonium plant. This is another plant suggestion for your house plants collection, and also they are very famous and trending. Snake plants, there are many varieties of snake plants. They are also trending since this is an air purifier, best air purifier after the spider plant. This plant is trending and also very famous among every gardener because you don't have to water them every day, and also you can grow them with a single leaf cutting, or else you can divide and multiply these plants. This is another best plant for your house plant collection, ZZ plant, easy to grow and multiply. Grow with a single leaf. If you can get it from a friend of yours, take only a leaf and see that you can propagate it very easily. If you want any information about the plant, you can check it on my channel. And also, friends, this is ideal as a house plant and also very famous. This is a feng shui plant too. Put this small cutting of ZZ plant in a small planter clay planter. You can see it's growing very beautifully and healthily. They are green, and evergreen look will decor your garden. Coleus plants also famous among everyone because they are very easy to grow and low maintenance. There are many varieties, colors also in Coleus plants. You can grow them especially during the rainy season. So monsoon seasons are on and you can grow these plants from cuttings. A wonderful decorative plant as a house plant. It is a moisture loving plant. Make sure that you water them during the hot weathers. Aglonema varieties. This is another beautiful house plant. You can keep them indoors and also you can grow them outdoors. Multiply them. When the plant matures, you will see many plants appearing in the same pot. You can put them in any planter. And one of the best trending house plant, Aglonema. Another beautiful house plant is the Swiss cheese Monstera. Monstera plant also you can grow very easily. That is one of the best house plant, indoor plant, low maintenance and permanent, and very famous among everyone since they are very easy to grow and easy to look after. So you can skip regular watering as a house plant, and this is one of the best indoor plants. Needless saying of this aloe vera uses, there are many because as a gardener I use them as a aloe gel as a rooting hormone, and also this is one of the medicinal plant. Aloe vera gel has been used for ages, for skin care and also hair care, and this is a great smoothie also. So aloe vera is famous and trending, every gardener's helper because this plant helps to grow other plants as well. Best medicinal plant, so have it in any planter. If you provide ample space, they will grow really very huge. And you can see my plant, there are many baby pups as well. Another wonderful trending house plant. Dracena, another trending house plant, famous among everyone because they are low maintenance. You can grow them from stems. There are many varieties as well. So here I have some other varieties. This is Aloe plant. This also very easy to grow plants, low maintenance and permanent. Varieties of Dracena plant. Rubber plant, another must-have plant, and also trending and very famous among everyone. Easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent. And also this is another plant which you can propagate with a single leaf. No need of any fertilizer as well. Umbrella plant is trending, famous among everyone because of the variegation, looking amazing and beautiful. Stem cuttings you can grow them with, and such a beautiful house plant. Jade plant, it's a trend now to grow this plant because they are low maintenance and permanent, and also one of the trending succulent, beautiful house plant. The thing is, you will have to expose this plant to a lot of sunlight because this is a succulent. You can't keep it indoors. You have to be mindful about that. If you have kept indoors, see that the sunlight, proper sunlight is provided 6 to 7 hours, at least 5 hours. Beautiful philodendron. There are many varieties. This is one of the golden looking variety, golden leaves. So this plant also another trending house plant, famous among everyone. Growing some of the plants have become a trend now. Look at this beautiful Sansevieria. Sansevieria is a trending plant since it is an air purifier. Not only that, this plant is a permanent and low maintenance plant. Very easy to grow, and also you can grow them with or without fertilizer. Only thing is you will have to not to overwater them. You have to be mindful about that, and you can skip regular watering these plants. These are many succulent plants, so you can skip regular watering, and also fertilizer also not necessary. So succulent and family plants are very easy to maintain and grow. Provide them the shade because these plants doesn't like the bright light. So this is a wonderful plant to your house plants collection as an indoor plant since it is an air purifier. So today I have shared with you some of the trending house plants, list of plants that you can watch and also grow in your garden according to the temperatures. You can place them at the right location. So you like to watch more gardening videos, plants and also the details, you can watch in my channel. So make sure you subscribe to Tamara's Garden for upcoming more gardening videos. So thank you and thanks for watching. See you soon with another gardening video.